one of the main users of the new trifocal AT LISA. We began the first surgeries in July, and mainly for PREDX patients. So most of the features of the IOL are already known because they come from the previous generation of LISA, the bifocal AT LISA. And the IOL is a one-piece IOL with 4 haptics, designed to be very stable in the capsular bag. And the optic is a trifocal optic with specific vision for far, intermediate and near vision. The optic of the IOL corrects the aberration, which is very important to get sharp vision at all the foci of the vision, far, intermediate and near. In terms of refractive outcomes with the new trifocal LISA, we have excellent far and near vision, like with other multifocal IOLs. And what is very specific is intermediate vision. We saw an important improvement, mainly in terms of intermediate visual acuity, which is much better with a trifocal. The new trifocal LISA does not compromise any vision, because we reach, as we say, the same level of far and near visual acuity, but with better level of intermediate vision. In terms of far distance, we have exactly the same visual acuity. We reach 20/20 or more for far. And for near, we also have for the patient at least Jaeger 2 for all the patients. They feel very happy with the IOL, especially in near vision. But we know the IOL works at all the distance with very low visual disturbance, especially in low light conditions. People have a comfortable vision even at night. The neuroadaptation time with this kind of IOL, bifocal or trifocal, is extremely short, and most of the patients have an immediate neuroadaptation. So it means that the day after surgery, in most cases, they can have far vision of quality, and the same for near and intermediate vision. Patient satisfaction is very important, and mainly for refractive patients who are PREDX patients. And of course, they can reach all this vision, so the level of satisfaction is always very high in this population. Of course, this IOL is the perfect IOL for young patients for 2 reasons. The first one is that it's mainly patients with large pupil, larger pupil than the cataract patient, so they need an IOL able to provide this vision even in low light condition. And we know that the platform of the trifocal is pupil independent, so it's exactly the best target for the IOL. It's a young patient. And mainly the second reason is because these young patients are mostly active patients and working a lot with computers. So I think it's a right IOL for this population of patients. Do I feel confident with IOL, and would I implant the IOL in friends or family members? I already made one case. I operated a relative, and with the same result, a young patient, 55 years old, and needs for near and intermediate vision, and very high satisfaction.